Have you ever wondered why socks always disappear in the laundry? Maybe they're off starting a business. You see, laundry is a bit like life. It's a cycle. We all go through it. Sometimes we lose a sock or two, but we keep on spinning. And if you think about it, isn't that the perfect metaphor for entrepreneurship? Now, you might be chuckling at the thought of socks running a business. But stay with me here. Picture this. A lone sock, tired of being lost in the wash, decides to take matters into its own hands. It rolls up its non-existent sleeves, hops out of the washing machine, and starts its own laundromat. Crazy, right? But that's the beauty of entrepreneurship. It's all about seeing opportunity where others see everyday chores. And speaking of laundry, let me narrate the story of Sam, who turned the mundane task of laundry into a goldmine. Sam wasn't a wizard or a genius, but he had a knack for seeing opportunities where others didn't. Now, let's talk about Sam. Sam was your average guy, spent years working a 9-to-5 job, always dreaming of something more. He was always on the lookout for an opportunity to break free from the mundane routine and start something of his own. One day, while doing his laundry at a local laundromat, it struck him. Sam noticed the constant flow of people, the machines always in use, the coins clinking into the change machine. It wasn't glamorous, but it was a service everyone needed. That's when Sam decided to take the plunge and start his own laundromat business. But how did he do it? Well, Sam was smart. He didn't just dive in head first. He spent countless hours learning the ins and outs of the business. He researched the best machines, learned about location importance, studied customer habits, and even took a few business management courses. His determination was unwavering. He was ready to put in the hard work, the long hours, and make sacrifices. However, Sam knew that to be successful, he needed to stand out. So, he added a unique spin to his laundromat. He turned it into a community hub, a place where people could relax and connect while waiting for their laundry. He added comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, and a small cafe corner. He organized weekly events like open mic nights and book clubs. Sam's laundromat became more than just a place to wash clothes. It became a part of the community. And guess what? It worked! His unique approach, combined with his determination and knowledge, paid off. His laundromat was always busy, always filled with people, not just doing their laundry, but also enjoying their time. His profits began to soar, and his dream of owning a successful business became a reality. In just a few years, Sam went from folding shirts to folding profits. And that, my friends, is the story of Sam's spin cycle. A testament to the fact that with the right mindset, a dash of creativity, and a whole lot of determination, one can turn even the most ordinary business into an extraordinary success. You might be thinking, what's the secret? Well, hold on to your laundry baskets because we're about to dive in. Now, let's unravel the mystery behind Sam's success. How did a simple laundromat turn into a thriving business? The answer lies in 3 crucial factors: location, quality service, and innovation. Imagine a laundromat in the middle of the desert. Sounds silly, right? That's because location is critical. Sam's location was strategic, set in a bustling neighborhood near student housing and apartment complexes. This ensured a steady stream of customers, rain or shine. Next, quality service. Sam didn't just provide washing machines and dryers. He offered a clean, well-lit space, around-the-clock service, and friendly staff. His customers knew they could rely on Sam's laundromat for any laundry emergency. Quality service wasn't an afterthought. It was the fabric of his business. But what truly set Sam apart was his innovative thinking. He introduced a loyalty program that rewarded regular customers with free washes and discounts. This not only kept his customers coming back, but also fostered a sense of community around his laundromat. And let's not forget Sam's eco-friendly practices. He installed energy-efficient machines and encouraged customers to recycle detergent bottles. This appealed to the environmentally conscious clientele and set his laundromat apart from the competition. The key takeaway here is that Sam's success wasn't accidental. It was a product of careful planning, excellent service, and a willingness to think outside the box. He saw a laundromat not just as a place to wash clothes, but as a hub for the community. He didn't chase after the latest fads or try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, he focused on the fundamentals, meeting customer needs and exceeding their expectations. His laundromat wasn't just about clean clothes. It was about providing a service that was valuable, reliable, and unique. So the secret isn't in the detergent, but in the business model itself. Now, Sam's story isn't just about washing dirty clothes. It's about cleaning up in business. His journey underscores a universal truth for all entrepreneurs. It's not about the industry you're in, be it laundromats or tech startups. It's about how you approach your business with creativity and resilience. Sam didn't just set up a laundromat, he reinvented the whole experience. He saw a need, added his unique spin, and created a solution that resonated with his customers. It's also a tale of customer focus. Sam understood what his customers wanted and delivered it in spades. He knew that people didn't just want clean clothes. They wanted convenience, efficiency, and a dash of fun. By putting his customers at the heart of his business, he turned a simple laundromat into a thriving enterprise. So the next time you're doing laundry, think about Sam's story. Who knows, you might just find your own golden sock. Well, that's the end of our laundry cycle for today. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? From Sam's innovative take on a traditional laundromat to the secret sauce that makes such ventures successful. And let's not forget the spin-off benefits. They're definitely worth the effort. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, why not give it a thumbs up? Your likes and comments help us to create more content that you love. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be interested in starting their own business. For those of you who are hungry for more, we recommend reading The Lean Startup by Eric Ries or Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. These books offer great insights into entrepreneurship and financial literacy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Remember, success might just be a spin cycle away. Until next time, keep your ideas fresh and your business bubbling.